ಹರಿ ಓಂ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ದಸರಾ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಇಂದಿನ ಆರಾಧ್ಯ ದೇವತೆ ಕಾಳರಾತ್ರಿ. ಈ ಕಾಳರಾತ್ರಿ ದೇವಿಯನ್ನು 7ನೆಯ ದಿವಸ ಪೂಜಿಸುವುದರಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯ ಭಯವು ನಿವಾರಣೆಯಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಈ ದಿವಸ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಪೂಜೆಯು ಆರಂಭವಾಗುವುದು. ಈ ದಸರಾ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಪ್ರಯುಕ್ತವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಆಯೋಜಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಚಿನ್ಮಯ ಬಾಲವಿಹಾರ BTM ಲೇಔಟಿನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ದೇವಿಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನಡೆಸಿಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಎರಡನೆಯದಾಗಿ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ ಸ್ತೋತ್ರಂ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಚಿನ್ಮಯ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಬೆಳಂದೂರಿನ ವಿಶ್ವಜಿತ್ ಅಯ್ಯರವರು ನಡೆಸಿಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಮೂರನೆಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಮೈಸೂರು ದಸರಾ ಆಚರಣೆ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಚಿನ್ಮಯ ಯುವ ಕೇಂದ್ರ HSR ಲೇಔಟ್, ಕೋರಮಂಗಲ, ಅಲಸೂರಿನ ಯುವಕ ಯುವತಿಯರು ನಡೆಸಿಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Hari Om, we are from BTM Bal Vihar. Today we are going to depict Ma Kali. Ma Kalaratri is worshipped on the 7th day of Navaratri. She is the goddess who dispels darkness and ends ignorance. Ma Kalaratri is one of the terrifying forms of goddess Durga and is also referred to as Ma Kali. The word Kal is usually refers to time or death, and the word Ratri means night. Hence she is also known as the goddess who brings an end to darkness.
Shri Chakraraj Simhasaneshwari Shri Lalita Ambike. Shri Chakraraj Simhasaneshwari Shri Lalita Ambike. Bhuvaneshwari Agama Veda Tulamaya-rupini ಅಖಿಲ ಚರಾಚರ ಜನನಿ ನಾರಾಯಣಿ. ನಟರಾಜ ಮನೋಹರಿ ಜ್ಞಾನ ವಿದ್ಯೇಶ್ವರಿ ರಾಜರಾಜೇಶ್ವರಿ. ಶ್ರೀ ಚಕ್ರರಾಜ ಸಿಂಹಾಸನೇಶ್ವರಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಲಲಿತಾ ಅಂಬಿಕೆ.
பலவிதமாய் உன்னை பாடவும் ஆடவும் பாடிக்கொண்டாடும் அன்பர் பதமலர் சூடவும் உலகம் முழுதும் எனது அகமுற காணவும் ஒரு நிலை தருவாய் காஞ்சி காமேஸ்வரி.
श्री चक्रराज सिंहासनेश्वरी श्री ललिता अंबिके.
Also known as Ma Kali, she was the one who demolished the demon Raktabhij. The demon had obtained a boon from Lord Brahma that even if a single drop of his blood touched the ground, he would multiply by thousands. Since it became impossible to kill him, Ma Kali destroyed him and drank his blood. Thus, Ma Kali destroys evildoers and ends all cruelty.
नमः। ॐ ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं कालरात्रय नमः। ॐ ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं कालरात्यै नमः। हरि ओम। हरि ओम। हरि ओम। हरि ओम। हरि ओम।
हरि ओम।
सरस्वती नमोस्तुते सरस्वती नमोस्तुते शारदे विद्याप्रदे 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 सरस्वती नमोस्तुते। करधृत वीणा पुस्तक करधृत वीणा पुस्तक करधृत वीणा पुस्तक करधृत वीणा पुस्तक वरमणिमालालंकृत करधृत वीणा पुस्तक वरमणिमालालंकृत करधृत वीणा पुस्तक वरमणिमालालंकृत 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 सारि म पध प म पध स पध सा नि ध प म रि स नि ध सा रि म पध प म पध स नि ध प म रि स नि ध स रि म पध स रि म रि स नि ध प म रि स नि ध सरस्वती नमोस्तुते शारदे विद्याप्रदे सरस्वती नमोस्तुते। नरहरिसुत विधिलालित नवमणियुत कंभुगळे नरहरिसुत विधिलालित नवमणियुत कंभुगळे नरहरिसुत विधिलालित नवमणियुत कंभुगळे नरहरिसुत विधिलालित नवमणियुत कंभुगळे सुरसेयवित पदयुगळे सुरसेयवित पदयुगळे सुरसेयवित पदयुगळे सुरसेयवित पदयुगणे सुधाकर ಸೇವಿತ ಪದಯುಗಳೇ ಸುಧಾಕಾರ ಸಮದ ಬಳೆ ಸುಧಾಕಾರ ಸಮದ ಬಳೆ ಸ ವಿಮ ಪದ ಪಮ ಪದ ಸ ಪದ ಸಾನಿ ದ ಪಮರಿ ಸನಿ ದ ತರಿ ಮ ಪದ ತರಿ ಮಾರಿ ಸನಿ ದ ಪಮರಿ ಸರಿ ಸ ಸನಿ ದ ಸರ ಸ್ವತಿ ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ ಶಾರದೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾ ಪ್ರದೆ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ
Hari Om, dear all. A very happy Dasara to you all. Today, we will tell you about a very interesting celebration, Mysuru Dasara. Mysuru Dasara is a Nada Habba, state festival in the state Karnataka in India.
I love the celebration in Mysore so much. Ever since I was a kid, my family make it a point to go to Mysore every year without the fail to watch the famous Mysore Dasara procession.
My favorite topic too. The tale of Mysore Dasara is same as the Durga Puja in Bengal and Navratri in Gujarat. According to the story, to bring an end to Mahishasura's terror, goddess Chamundeshwari charged into a battle against the demon or a tiger. After an intense war of 9 days with the demon Mahishasura, goddesses killed the demon on the day of Vijayadashmi. To mark this day as victory over evil, Dasara is celebrated.
The tradition of Dasara started in the 15th century by King Krishnadevaraya of the Vijayanagar Empire in Srirangapattanam. When Vadia came into power in the 1610, the capital was shifted from Srirangapattanam to Mysore. Thus, the tradition of the Royal Mysore Dasara began from this year.
There are 9 days of festivities happening in Mysore, concluding with the Grand Jambu Savari on the 10th day, that is the Vijayadashmi. The entire Mysore palace is illuminated and a procession is carried out on the streets of the city. The entire city comes to a standstill on that one day. First, a Nandi Dwaja Puja is taken place at the Mysore palace. After the puja is over, begins the Jambu Savari. The Jambu Savari begins from the Mysore palace, carrying the goddess Chamundeshwari's idol perched on a well-decorated elephant, and ends at the Bani Mandap ground. The royals worship the Bani tree, which has its own history. It is believed that the Pandavas used this very tree to hide their weapons during the final years of their exile. In conclusion to the festival, a torchlight parade is held at the Bani Mandap at around 7 p.m.
Chamundeshwari Devi is worshipped by the Mysore royal couple in the palace grounds just before the procession starts. Colorful tabors, music bands, dance groups, decorated elephants, camels and horses take form a part of this procession.
Though Jambu Savari is the main event and crowd puller, I personally like all the events and festivities during the 9 days. Just driving through Mysore streets is exciting. It is all lit up with colorful lights, a true feast to the eyes.
And the flower show. Beautiful and rare plants. Exquisite floral decoration. My mom makes it a point to visit the flower show every Dasara.
You know what interests me more than the flower show? It's the Mysore Dasara exhibition. So many stalls, giant wheel, cotton candies, colorful bangles, dresses, small shops selling pani puri, masala papad, chili bhattis. My mouth waters just thinking about it. I love going on the giant wheel ride whenever I go there.
Parade. It is held in the parade ground in Banni Mantapa after the procession. This is the one event I never miss. It is so beautiful and very soothing to the eye.
Yes, Anirudh, I've always loved watching these. Another important thing that happens during the 9-day festivities is the cultural programs. The sports events are also held at the palace grounds. Famous musicians and dancers from all across the country perform during the Navaratri festivities at Mysore.
Are you planning to go on a Jambu Safari this year, guys?
Not sure. With COVID, there might be restrictions.
Yes, but we must be responsible. We can go, but we must avoid crowds, maintain social distancing, and wear our masks. I definitely plan on going this year. Hope you all can come too. Hari Om.
ಹರಿ ಓಂ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಈ ಶುಭ ದಿನದಂದು ಈ ದಸರಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಈ ಬೇರೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಎಂದು ಆಶಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾಳೆ ಇದೇ ಸಮಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಖಂಡಿತ ವೀಕ್ಷಿಸಿ. ದಸರಾ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಪ್ರಯುಕ್ತವಾಗಿ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಿರುವ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಪೂಜ್ಯ ಗುರುಗಳಾದ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಾನಂದಜಿಯವರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಪಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಹರಿ ಓಂ.